Hello students, I am Mrs. Alka Sehgal. I will be today taking your class on Kalamkari. Kalamkari, as you all know, is an ancient craft of India. Kalamkari art has been practiced by many families in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Literal meaning of Kalamkari is Kalam, which means pen, and Kari, which refers to craftsmanship. It is a freehand drawing. Motifs drawn in this ancient art of Kalamkari include flowers, peacock, paisleys, and also divine characters from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Kalamkari is a very detailed painting with elegant designs. Colors used in this painting are very bright and vibrant. So children, let's start with the painting. First we will draw the motif. As I told you children that it's a freehand drawing. So I have drawn for you a peacock on a stem, a paisley and a design of a flower. Along with the stem I have made these leaves which can go in a decorative form because it's a very decorative art. Each petal will be decorative like this, and the flower which I am drawing it here for you will be having a double lining. After you draw this with a pencil, you need to just do the outlining with a black pen which I am showing you here. It will be completing the entire area with the outline. Like this. Once you have done this, your painting somehow will be done like this. Every area is outlined. Each little detail is being given. See the crown out here. The crown has got a great pattern. It has got lines. It has got design. Even the petals also have a design, as I told you earlier. And the entire painting is balanced properly. Now to do this, the next step we do is we paint the background. It can be yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, red or orange. I took a deep yellow which is very near to an orange color, and I have made the background of it. I have colored it with a brush and I have done the background, leaving the drawing unpainted. If you have more colors and if you want to do the coloring in it, you can make the colors like this. You can paint the flowers red, the peacock blue, the leaves green, and I had a golden pen, so I did the golden outlining and filling in some of the areas. Since you don't have colors, you can make it in 2 colors. I had colors, so I made it in 4 colors. Children, I believe you have understood it well and you will now be able to draw it yourself. Thank you for attending the class.